Hello.
Hello, sir. Where are you from, please?
I'm from the United States, but currently I'm in Serbia.
Serbia. Oh, that is good. Serbia is an European country.
It is, yeah.
Okay, very good. So, sir, have you ever been in Bangladesh?
I have not been in Bangladesh, no.
Oh, so I invite you in Bangladesh.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I would love to. I love traveling, so I hope to be in as many countries as possible at some point.
Very good. So, sir, I want to talk to you about something.
Okay.
Actually, most of the time I ask my tutors about it. That is,
Okay.
uh, I am a freelancer. I am trying to
Okay.
get freelancing job. That is my skill is in video editing.
Okay.
So how can I get job? Can you please help in this case, because you are from America and you live in Serbia? So
Do you,
how can I get the job, sir, please?
well, are you on freelancing websites?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I use Fiverr. I have a Fiverr account. I have a
Mm-hmm.
Fiverr account, and through that I am trying to get a video editing job,
Okay.
but never been successful to get any buyer. And
You've
I
never.
use this. Yeah, I have never get. And I use this platform of Cambly to ask my tutors if they can help me. I don't know, is does it go with the condition of Cambly?
Oh, back.
Sorry, sir. It is because of internet connection, I think.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Um, so, how did you learn video editing?
I actually I am an YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I edit my videos every day, so I can
Okay.
edit any video. And I heard from my friend about video editing job online, and I have been trying to get one for a long time, but still today I have not get any job.
Okay.
I have a
What
channel.
is your? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a job. And another information for me, uh, not for me. That is, I am from Bangladesh. I guarantee my buyer that I will edit the video in a very low rate. And if my buyer becomes satisfied with my editing, he can send me money. Otherwise, if he is not satisfied,